Hello everyone, welcome to this Pinky Paradise review. It has been such a long time since I reviewed Pinky Paradise, but they are a well-established, very large color contact company, and they do release some realistic lenses. So one of their most recent releases is from their Eurus line, which I highly recommend if you like Pinky Paradise for natural and realistic. And they just released a line called their Genetic line, so Eurus Genetic. This line is specifically designed to mimic a natural human iris. So I was given two pairs to review for you guys and just to show you. And this first pair that I am wearing right now is the Eurus Genetic Blue. Here's how it looks from a talking distance. Beautiful, beautiful mid-tone, neutral blue color, I would say. So definitely true to its name. These are iris mimicking lenses. In the center, it's actually a really, really subtle sort of pinky brown color that lines the inner pupil hole ring to help with blending. And then the base color is a really nice mid-tone blue color, and then you'll see overlaid on top of the base color is the gorgeous iris patterning, the streaks, the striations, and they are a lighter white bluish color, and they're all in that gorgeous, beautiful human eye pattern, which we are all very familiar with. So in terms of patterning and color gradient, I think these lenses are extremely, extremely realistic. They did a fantastic job to mimic a natural human iris. However, I highly recommend these lenses for those with very dark brown eyes. I would say the pupil hole could be a little bit more blended. So I think that if you have very dark brown eyes, that you could wear these, pull them off, they would look realistic, they would look real. But if you have medium eyes, there's a little bit of a contrast between the pupil hole and your natural iris. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. The pupil hole, I would say, is larger than a standard size pupil hole, but I wouldn't call these open style pupil holes or open pupil hole design lenses. The pupil hole is just a little bit larger and it's feathered. And then these are enlarging lenses. They have a larger graphic diameter. Because of the way they're patterned, it looks like you have a nice natural limbal ring also to define your eyes. All in all, these are gorgeous, and this is just another collection to keep in mind if you're a fan of this pattern. All right, let's move on to the next color. Hello everyone, so here is the second pair. These are the Eurus Genetic Gray. Gorgeous, gorgeous pair of quite realistic gray lenses, I think. These are more on the side of the true gray. They look very similar to the Genetic Blue, so I will also throw up some footage of comparing the two. I would say the Genetic Gray is slightly darker, more toned down. And in the center, it's not as bright. It's more of a very, very subtle yellow beige color in the inner pupil hole ring for blending. The base color is more so a true slate or ash gray as opposed to blue, and then overlaid on top is the beautiful iris patterning, which looks like a white gray, but there's also hints of aqua blue in the streaky pattern if you look very closely. Overall, it gives an absolutely stunning effect pattern-wise. I'm really loving the pattern. It's beautiful. And it doesn't look like there is any kind of limbal ring designed in these. It just appears that way because the iris patterning is kind of more focused on the center of the lens. So as you can see from my distance shots, these lenses are quite enlarging as well. So if you're a fan of the enlarging lenses that look very natural, and these lenses are also quite pigmented. So as I said, very, very suitable for dark brown eyes. I would highly recommend checking out other reviews of these particular colors from someone with very dark brown eyes, just so you can see how natural and realistic they look. I think this is one of Pinky Paradise's better lines, more realistic, definitely. And I have a few other Eurus reviews from last year, I believe, if you want to check out more from the Eurus line. The thing about Pinky Paradise is their prices cannot be beat. They offer yearly lenses, at least in this line, available in prescription, and right now the Eurus line is on sale for $18.83 per prescription pair. And I think I also have a coupon code with Pinky Paradise, so I will put that in the description so that you can save even more money if you want to shop with Pinky Paradise. So price wise, they cannot be beat. That's very, very affordable for a pair of yearly prescription lenses. And they have a couple other colors in this line. They have brown and green as well if you want to check that out. So I'll link the pairs below for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review, and I have lots and lots to come. So definitely stay tuned, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.